When I was very young, I started working at the age of 18. And my first job, we were doing like those, then selling like some garden furniture, and we were getting like, I think 500 rupees a day.
You must have had a wealth milestone in mind. यार मुझे एक नंबर है, ये नंबर मैंने अचीव कर लिया ना लाइफ में, तो मैं सेट हूँ. उसके बाद मेरा एक पीस ऑफ माइंड मुझे मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद आई विल डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विद माय लाइफ, लिव माय लाइफ माय वे, राइट? तो कभी वो नंबर आपके दिमाग में था?
Yeah, when I was very young.
हाँ जी.
I started working at the age of 18. And my first job, we were doing like those, then selling like some garden furniture, and we were getting like, I think 500 rupees a day. So it was 2 days. So तो 1000 रुपए मिल गए थे. तो उस टाइम ऐसे लगा था कि, और उन 1000 रुपए में I bought gifts for my brother, my grandmother, my dad, my mom, everyone.
Wow.
और फिर पैसे बच भी गए, बाकी डिपॉजिट भी कर दिए बैंक में. कुछ 200 रुपए या कोई 150 रुपीस बचे थे. और उसके बाद उस दिन मुझे लगा कि जिस दिन मेरी लाख रुपए की एफडी हो जाएगी ना,
लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी.
लाइफ चेंज हो जाएगी, मुझे लाइफ में काम नहीं करना होगा.
हाँ. फिर ये नंबर अभी क्या है?
जितने भी बनते हैं उससे ज्यादा खर्च हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो अभी तो नंबर है.
मुझे लगा आप बोलोगे जितने सोचा था उससे ज्यादा बना लिए मैंने.
नहीं, पर अभी भी ऐसे लगता है, that's what I'm saying. It has to change, right? When you're
Right.
18.
Of course.
And then that time you're like, oh wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
और I don't think उस टाइम वो बनी थी मेरी एफडी, पर अब वो एफडी का कोई फायदा है नहीं, क्योंकि कुछ होने नहीं वाला उससे. But like, I'm not the one to actually, I'm not a numbers person.
Okay.
When I hear like, oh, इस कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन इतनी है, या इस पिक्चर ने इतने बना,
You are an investor, by the way, and you are an entrepreneur.
and ये सब
Right.
हुआ. But I'm an entrepreneur because I like to build.
Yeah.
I get fascinated by product.
हाँ.
And getting fascinated by product, or like building an IP, like say, my Go Flow Run, or building a maternal health community like Freedom to Feed, or having a ceramic brand like Black Carrot, which I absolutely love. These are things because I like to build product.
Yeah.
Do I know what numbers, evaluation, ye, wo, all that is? I would say I have a fair idea, but I never get into something saying इसका इतना होगा तो इतना होगा.
दिमाग नहीं लगाना, मतलब वैसा mindset है.
No, दिमाग नहीं लगाना. Like, I don't want it to be very, if I'm building something, I don't want it to be very far away from the person I am, just because I see that, oh, in the evaluation game, it'll get me somewhere. Not like that. Like, if it doesn't interest me, no, I won't do it. I won't do it at all. So it's like,
creative satisfaction होनी चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा लगना चाहिए I've created, I've built something.
Also, the thing is that I have 2 young kids. So I need to have only, I need to have a specific role, where like I'm the kind of person who will turn my phone off at 9:30 at night. I put it back on at 8 in the morning.
Wow.
So it's not like somebody who can like, I'm not accessible for those many number of hours. So I don't want to be in a situation where I build an app and they'll be like, ये हो रहा है और वो crash हो रही है और वो ये हो रहा है और ये problem होगी. मुझे नहीं करना है.
नहीं करना है.
Yeah. Unless like, as actors, when you endorse products, then it's not like you're responsible to answer the phone that late at night. But I'm talking about off days. There are times when I do night shoots. I have travel planned for the next 4 days where I'm going to be in like 3 different countries, literally. Those times I stay awake, of course. It's not like my phone hamesha hi off hota hai. But like dream life, turn the phone off at 9:30 and turn it back on at 8 after I drop my children to school.
So early to bed, early to rise.
Yes.
Person.
Yes. And very judgmental when people sleep late.
Huh. What time do you get up?
I get up at about sometime between 5:45 and 6:15.
Wow. और उठते ही yoga.
No.
Or running or something.
No, not necessarily.
Just
mostly I wake up and I read the news. I have my cup of tea. And then I spend time with my children. I drop them to school. And after that, I go to the gym. So I take my time. I want to spend time with them. I want to know what's going on. But they get up by about, say, 10 minutes to 7 or 7. But this is the ideal life. Yeah.
So between you and Angad Paji.
Yeah, he's a late riser.
Huh?
Yeah. So मैं सब करके आती हूँ, and then he'll be like, क्या हो रहा है, इतनी आवाज क्यों आ रही है? And I'm like, oh, that's half my day is over. Yeah. But yeah, he sleeps till a little later.
And when it comes to taking the big financial calls,
in his dictionary is very early.
What time
like
is that?
9:30, 10.
9:30, 10 is very early.
Yeah, which I would say that someone like you also gets up by then.
You're saying I also get up around that time?
Later, maybe sometimes.
No, a little early.
9:15. चलो,
ये कैसे जज किया आपने?
जज नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं
मतलब ये आपने कैसे, फिर भी कोई तो एक एस्टिमेट लगाया।
बिकॉज आपने ना, मैंने ऐसे 5:45, 6 आपने मेरी तरफ ऐसे देखा।
नहीं, मैं ऐसे नहीं देखा, मैं बहुत
I thought that you were judging me, so I counter judged you.
No, मैं I was very impressed कि अरे आप इतने बजे उठ जाते हो, I want to do that.
Yeah, I'm not doing that to impress you. I'm just doing that because it's good for me.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस फुल क्लिप, और मैं आपसे वादा करता हूँ कि इसका फुल पॉडकास्ट भी देख के आपको काफी मजा आने वाला है। लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन।